Um, Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I have been so fortunate over the last 15 years as a spiral dancing student and guardian, and my life has changed. It's it's easier for me to be. It's easier for me to flow with what's happening around me. Um, I'm able to be more present. I've been a better mom to my children because of the experience that I've had working with spiral dancing and the space that's been created by Maria and Linda and my fellow students who've been on this path. I'm so much wholer and happier, and I'm really excited because we've got a bunch of new students, and I'm getting to watch them get to heal and learn, and we all have our own special experiences on the spiral dance, and they're all really amazing and powerful, and I'm just really honored to be able to be a spiral dancer, and I'm really happy for people who join in with us. It's just a really wonderful family, and it's a safe space to learn about yourself and to embrace who we are in a really life-affirming way. So thanks for hearing me about my spiral dance, and I hope you have a great time. I hope.